I just made a rookie mistake. I haven't made this one in a while, but I think anybody that's new into cycling, heck, even experienced cyclists have done this. Anytime you have to remove a wheel and you have a bike with hydraulic brakes, I've even done this when I was installing hydraulic brakes, but in this particular case, I have my little lever here. It was over here. I went to grab this bike. I was trying to take the bike off the loft. I accidentally grabbed it and I squeezed this lever because it was up here. And look what the result is. It squeezed the brake pads together. And that is hydraulic pressure holding those together. Trust me, it can be a fight. And this is where some people will make the walk of shame to the toolbox. And they will open it up and they will search out a flat blade screwdriver. And yes, a flat blade screwdriver will get these open, but it is difficult. I mean, you're wedging a flat blade in here and you're trying to pry it. But there's a couple of problems. Number one, these are usually dirty. You don't want to introduce grime and muck. You know how hard it is to already get a brake not to squeal. Well, you're really introducing stuff. This is like a cast iron skillet. It will absorb oils and grime over the years. And no matter how much you clean on it, you're going to introduce muck in here if you use a flat blade screwdriver. Problem number two, the uneven pressure. You're wedging this in and you're putting uneven pressure that's going to damage the pads, possibly even the piston because you're putting offset pressure on it. Even the seals inside the brake unit itself can be damaged just with using a flat blade screwdriver to do this. Well, what are you supposed to do? You've already made the mistake, and yes, it's a mistake that everyone again makes. Fortunately, Part Tool, they have two tools. This is one of the ones. This is a piston press, PP-1.2, again from Part Tool. I'll put a link down in the description. I didn't buy this. I received it as a gift from my sister, not from Part Tool. I'm not sponsored. But this is $23.95. I just looked it up. Well worth its price. To save your brakes, if you have hydraulic brakes on your bike and you do your own work on your bike or you ever take the wheels off your bike, even if you just have a bike rack, you take the front wheel off. If the wheels ever come off and you have hydraulic brakes, it's going to happen. It's inevitable some point. But this will get it done. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Here we are, our brake pads compressed. We're panicking, but no fear. The Part Tool PP-1.2 to the rescue, and look at that. See how that's designed? Easily goes in, flattened out, wide, disperses the pressure that it's putting on. So the way this works, you're going to come in from the back or the bottom, depending upon which way your brake's oriented. In this case, I'm going to come in from the back and I'm going to go right into the little crack here. And I don't know how well you can see this. Let me see if I can zoom the camera in just a bit here. Yeah, you can see, look at that. See how easy it's spreading it? Look at this. I'm just going to go right in. And there we go. And I'm not doing this. I'm just kind of pushing it in, just wedging it in. Raise this up just a little bit more here. And once it's fully compressed here, look at that. That's the width or wider than a rotor. And look, I have room. They are fully open. And just to show you how easy this is, let me make the mistake again. Oh no, I've compressed my brakes. They're going to open up a little bit, but let me pump them. There we go. There's a big problem. Not a lot of room. The tool again, it's going to find that little crevice and I'm going to work my way in. And there we go, opened up. Easy peasy. Part Tool to the rescue. This thing is a good tool to have in the toolbox, and now it will be a permanent fixture in my bike toolbox. Thanks so much for watching. Link down in the description. Comment below if you've ever made this mistake, or are you one of the lucky few? If you are, it's eventually gonna happen. This tool will come in handy when it does. Thanks for watching and have a great day.